Recording is already in progress, everybody. So allow Teacher Jermaine and allow EIS to record this afternoon session. By the way, today is November 28th and it's already 5:06 in the afternoon Indonesian time. Teacher is very happy to see your faces again, although I only have 9 of you, but I am hoping that other kids will be joining us later on. So, what will be our class today? Is it grammar or reading comprehension? What are we having today? Is it reading or grammar? Okay, we will have a reading comprehension class. Are you ready for our story this afternoon? Everybody ready? Okay, thank you for nodding, Kristen. So with that one, let me share my screen. Okay, for a while. If I can, and you know what, teacher cannot recall when was the last time I had a reading class with you because teacher was always absent. Maybe it's almost a month already. Please wait for a while my screen is loading. Wait for a while. So am I already sharing my screen? Not yet. Am I lost? Hello? How is it? No, not responding in Zoom.
Recording in progress.
Oh, miss, I'm sorry I'm late.
Hello? Hello?
Oh, miss.
Miss.
Okay. I'm very sorry for letting you wait more than 10 minutes, almost 10 minutes.
It's
Zoom,
okay.
Zoom wasn't responding. And you know what? I keep on talking. Then I found out that I was disconnected. Then Zoom suddenly shut down. I'm very sorry, kid. Sorry, sorry for that one.
Okay, it's okay.
Okay. Thank you for waiting and thank you for being patient.
Yeah. Yes.
Yes, thank you. So I will be uh, I will be sharing my screen now. I hope this time it will work.
Wow, race cars.
Okay. Do you have my screen now? Can you see it?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Uh,
Yes.
very good. Okay. So what is the title based on my screen? What is the title of the story?
Race cars.
Oh, Alfonso.
Race cars. Brrr.
Yes, we have race.
Race cars.
Do you know what race cars are?
Yes.
Yeah.
Racing cars.
Cars that can running.
Okay. Have you
Yes.
seen one or have you experienced
Yes. I have seen more than one.
more than one?
Yeah, they are
I
drifting.
also have
Yes,
the toy version one.
the toy version of
Yeah.
Monto. Yeah, that's
Always.
cool.
The car is drifting.
Yeah.
Drift.
Oh, so do you have drifting areas in Indonesia, Tristan? Where do you usually see cars, racing cars?
I don't know. I don't know.
Only on movies and television?
Yeah.
The
But
internet?
I just watch on the TV.
Yeah. And the
Oh,
TV.
Yeah, so I didn't really see in the really.
it in person.
Yeah. In the TV.
Okay.
So
I see the person.
yeah, the person.
No, what I would like to say is you were not able to experience it on hand. You were not able to experience it personally. I'm not talking about the person riding the race car. Okay? But what's important is you know and understand what race cars are. Okay, so this story this story has two, oh look at here. Although this is a clip art, for those who are not familiar with race cars looks like this. Although this is a clip art.
Yes.
Okay, so we have two pages in here. I'll be asking maybe for another one. Aside from the red one, race cars can also look like this. Uh, but in real life, race cars, typically cars, but are more into racing. Okay, so while I ask some of you to read, I will be asking the others to read closely so that you will also understand the story. Okay. Again, what is the title of the story? It is
Race car.
Race cars.
Where Can We Find the Title of the Story?
On the top of the
Oh,
story.
Okay,
sorry.
at the top or at the beginning. Aside from the title, what are the other elements of the story based on our discussions before?
Oh,
What are the elements of a story? Or what should we look into a story? Okay?
Characters.
Come again.
Characters
Yes, we talk about characters.
and settings.
Yes, the setting in the story.
Oh.
When we talk about setting, we can we we can have two. We can talk about when the story happened, and we can also talk about where the story happened. Okay, before teacher will proceed, could you please tell me how's my voice?
It's clear, miss.
Okay, thank
It's
you.
clear.
Okay, very good. Is my screen visible also to all of you?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very, very good. Okay, let us proceed now to reading the text. Okay, I will be asking Tristan first to read the first paragraph. Tristan.
Okay. Zoom, zoom, zoom. The race car were all practicing for the big race tomorrow. Around and around and around the track they went. They practiced waving in and out of cones, going around the curves and starting right when the green light went on. Blue race car and red race car were best friends, so they practiced together all day.
Okay, Aaron, could you please read it also, Aaron?
Zoom, zoom, zoom. The race cars were all practicing for the big race tomorrow. Round and around and around the track they went. They practiced waving in and out of cones, going around the curve, and starting right when the green light went on. Blue, they practiced together all day.
Okay, thank you, Aaron. Thank you, Tristan, for reading.
You're welcome, Miss.
Okay, why are the race cars practicing? Why are the race cars practicing?
For a big race tomorrow.
Okay, they are preparing for the big race tomorrow. Okay, where did you find the answer? Where did you find the answer, Aaron?
As the second.
You have it here. Where did you find it? Is it in the text that you have read a while ago? Was it there? Yes or no?
Yes.
Oh, yes, of course. You can find the answer in the reading text. So, if you are reading, you are also going to understand what you are reading so that if someone asks a question, you can answer it. Okay, so the cars were racing. They were all practicing for the big race tomorrow. So around and around and around the track they went. Okay, what were they practicing? Okay, what were they practicing based on the paragraph?
Waving in and out of cones, going around the curves, and starting right when the green light went on.
Okay, very good. So they practiced three things. Three things as mentioned by Alfonso. First, practice weaving in and out of cones. Next is going around the curves and starting right when the green light went on. Okay. Have you seen a traffic light, kids? Have you seen a traffic light? On roads in Indonesia, do you have traffic lights?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, what color signifies you to go or to start driving?
Green.
Green.
How about the color that tells you to stop?
Red.
Okay, it is color red. How about that tells you to be ready?
Yellow.
Yellow.
You have How many colors do you have on your traffic light, Alfonso?
3.
Okay, yellow. You know what? Here in the Philippines, we don't have yellow, but we have orange. But maybe,
Yeah, I think it's all yellow or orange.
yeah,
Oh, in
we,
the Philippines also 3, but the for the ready one is orange, not yellow.
okay.
I think it's
But you
yellow
know
or
what?
orange.
But you know what? It's it's close to orange, but not really yellow.
Yes.
Or maybe just mm, yeah. So take note of that, okay? Especially if you are the one driving your car someday, or you are together with your brothers or father. So just like in the story, they're going to start driving or start right when the green light went on. Hey, who are best friends in here? Who are best friends in here? Are there
Blue
persons
race
mentioned?
car and red race car.
Here, are these persons? Are this person? Kids?
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, what are these? These are?
Good afternoon, Miss. Sorry I'm late.
What are these ones? These are?
Blue race. They are cars.
Yes, these are cars. Why are they called best friends? Why are they called best friends?
The
Why are they called best friends? You can open your microphone and say something if you want.
because they practice together all day long.
Okay, okay, exactly. They are best friends because they practice together all day. Okay,
Yes.
take note. Okay, take note of that one. They practice together all day. Do you have a best friend also? Do you have a best friend?
Yes.
Yes.
Cool.
Okay, you have a best friend school.
Yes.
Uh, okay, that's good to hear. Okay, Alfonso.
Yes.
Okay, you mentioned that you have a best friend, right?
Yes.
What do you usually do with your best friend?
Yeah. We often talk together and play together. Yeah.
Okay, so just like mentioned in the story, they are always together. Okay, that's why they are close or best friends. How about Catherine? Thank you, Alfonso, for sharing.
What?
How? Thank you for sharing.
Thank you.
Okay, may I talk? Can I talk now to Catherine?
Yes, teacher.
Hey, do you have a best friend, Catherine?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, what do you usually do? Are you always together?
Yes, teacher.
What do you usually do together?
We sit together and play together.
Wow, sit together and play together. Okay, so I think Catherine is very close to her best friend. Okay, so I hope you already understand the first paragraph. Let's move now to the second paragraph. Okay, Catherine, I hope you're ready to read from here up to let me move it first. Okay, finish it here from this part to up here.
That night, they were in the garage resting up for the big race tomorrow. Petrus, Car, Colton, sleep, talk. The race car, are you asleep? Petrus Car asked. No, I'm feeling nervous for the race tomorrow. How are you feeling? Blue race car answered.
Okay. Okay, aside from Catherine, I would also like to ask Josephine to read the highlighted parts.
Yes, miss.
Yes?
That night, they were in the garage, resting up for the big race tomorrow. Red race car couldn't sleep. So, blue race car, are you asleep? Red race car asked. No, I'm feeling nervous for the race tomorrow. How are you feeling? Blue race car answered.
Okay, thank you. I would also, okay, thank you, Catherine. Thank you, Josephine, for reading. I would
You're
also
welcome,
like
miss.
to ask Claudie to read. Claudie,
Yes, miss.
can I also ask you to read?
That night, they were in the great resting up for the big race tomorrow. Red rice, car, cold, sleep, thought. Blue race car, are you asleep? Red race car asked. No, I'm feeling nervous for the race tomorrow. How are you feeling? Blue race car answered.
Yes, very good. Thank you. Thank you so much for that.
Here I come.
Okay, so if you look into the words used in the story, you can say that the red car and the blue car looks like people or they are persons. Why can we say that? Why can we say so that they are people or persons? Because they are talking to each other, right? But do you think that really happens? Can car talk? Hello, can the car talk? Yes or no? No, right?
In real life, no.
In real life, no. But in stories, they can talk because there are stories that are, because
Not true.
stories, yes, are not true, are product of our imagination. Okay? Who couldn't sleep that night? Who couldn't sleep that night?
Red
Car.
race car.
Okay.
The same as blue race car.
Okay. So the both
Yeah.
of the cars couldn't sleep. Why couldn't they sleep?
The blue car is feeling nervous for the race.
Okay, the two of them are
Well,
feeling nervous.
they were couldn't sleep, actually.
They are thinking.
Okay, so they're thinking what might happen during the race tomorrow, right? Okay, so you have here blue, what do you call that one? Blue race car said that no, I'm feeling nervous for the race tomorrow. Okay, they're feeling nervous because they don't know what will happen during the race. So this is how the blue car looks like. Well, the red one looks like this. Which one do you like? Look at the pictures. Do you like the blue one or the red one? No, nothing from these two.
Nothing.
Nothing from the two. Okay, let's continue our reading. Um, Enda, can I ask you to read, Enda?
Okay, miss.
Everything, this one, from here to the last part here, okay?
Okay. I'm feeling nervous too. What can we do? We need to feel rested for the race tomorrow, said Red Race Car. We could try taking deep breaths. Ready? We'll breathe in and count to 3. Then we'll keep the breath in for the 3 seconds. Last, we'll slowly let all of our breath out. We might have to do that a lot of times before we feel better. That's right, Blue Race Car said.
Okay, thank you for reading it well.
You're welcome.
Alfonso, yes. Alfonso, have I asked you to read already during the first part?
No.
Not, okay, not yet. Okay, I'll just ask you later on. Okay, aside from Inda, can I talk to Arga?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, Arga, please.
Read. I'm feeling nervous too. What can we do? We need to feel rested for the race tomorrow, said Red Race Car. We could try taking deep breaths. Ready? Well, breathe in and count to 3. Then we'll keep the breath in for 3 seconds. Last, we'll slowly let all of our breath out. We might have to do that a lot of times before we feel better. Let's try, Blue Race Car said.
Okay, very good. Okay, thank you, Arga. Okay, I still want to ask another kid to read so that we can fully understand it. Catherine, I'll have you again, please.
Teacher.
Can I also ask you to read, Catherine?
Yes, teacher. I'm feeling nervous too. What can we do? We need to feel rested for the race tomorrow, said Red Race Car. We could try taking deep breaths. Ready? We'll breathe in and count to 3. Then we'll keep the breath in for 3 seconds. Last, we'll slowly let all of our breath out. We might have to do that a lot of times before we feel better. Let's try, Flores Car said.
Okay, good. Okay. So, both of them, the blue car and the red race car, both feel nervous. So they were asking themselves, what can we do? Okay. We need to feel rested for the race tomorrow. Okay. They need to feel rested for the race tomorrow because they can't be nervous every time, right? Am I right? Is teacher right?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, we can't. It's not good to always feel. It's not good to always feel or you being nervous. Okay, because you cannot perform well. So if the two cars are always nervous, what will happen to them? What will possibly happen to them?
We're all sleepy.
Okay, probably they will be sleepy for the next day. Or do you think
Yeah.
will they win the race? Will they win the race?
No.
Okay. Oh,
They're sleepy.
okay. There's a probability
They will
that
be sleepy and yeah.
they will lack energy for the coming day, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so what was the solution that they were able to think that can help them? Okay, I want you to look or to read closely. What is the solution or what are they going to do to ease their nervousness so that they can feel that they're okay already? What did the two car do? Yes?
They tried taking deep breaths.
Yes, exactly. Look at here. We could try taking deep breath. Okay, so ready? So you're going to count 1, 2, 3, and breathe. Okay, they can breathe. So 1. Okay, everybody, can I ask you? Okay, I'll stop sharing so that I can look at everyone. I hope everybody will be opening their cameras. Okay. So they were thinking that they can do the breathing activity. Okay. So what happens in the breathing activity? They are going to breathe how many times? Breathe.
Breathe 3 times.
Okay. Can we do it together? I want you to open your mic. Open your mic. Alfonso, do not shout.
Not sharp.
Tristan. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, everybody, let's breathe 3 times. Let me see. Let me see your faces on the screen. I want you to open your microphone. Teacher, everybody open your microphone. Let's
Okay.
okay, everybody, let's breathe 2 times.
Okay.
Everybody go. One more. Okay, one last. Okay, good.
Okay.
Okay,
That's much better.
okay, turn off your microphones now.
Okay.
Okay, very good. Okay, thank you everybody for doing that activity. So, if you feel nervous, what you're going to do, just like the 2 cars, you're going to breathe. Okay, take long breath. Okay, so that you feel, so that you feel better. Okay, if you do breathing, you will feel better. Okay, so I'll go back again to the story, and I will be sharing again my screen. Okay. Oh. Mm, my screen turned black. Is it black also in your end, Tristan?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Okay. How about that?
Yeah, it's now race car.
Okay, you already have there the story. Okay, let us okay. Let's wait for a while. Okay, so oh, so after taking deep breath, the blue car said that they are going to do that a lot of times. Okay? They are going to do breathing a lot of times so that they can no longer feel okay, so that they won't feel nervous anymore. Okay, so let's move to the last part or the last paragraph. Okay, let's wait it for my screen to move. They took some slow, deep breaths together. After a few minutes, both race cars started to feel calm and drifted off to sleep. They both dreamed about all the fun they'd have at the race. Okay, so that's the end of the story. So for us to go back to it again, I'll be asking Alfonso to read a story from the very beginning. Okay, Alfonso, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
By the way, um is it readable? Okay, I'll make it big enough
Yes,
so
it's
that
already readable.
okay, go. Thank you, Alfonso. Go, Alfonso.
Stars were all practicing for the big race tomorrow. Around and around and around the track they went. They practiced waving in and out of cones, going around the curves, and starting right when the green light went on. Blue race cars and red race car were best friends, so they practiced together all day. That night, they were in the garage resting up for the big race tomorrow. Red race car couldn't sleep, so Blue race car, are you asleep? Red race car asked. No, I'm feeling nervous for the race tomorrow. How are you feeling? Blue race car answered. I'm feeling nervous too. What can we do? We need to feel rested for the race tomorrow, said Red race car. We could try taking deep breaths. Ready? We'll breathe in and count to 3. Then we'll keep the breath in for 3 seconds. Last, we'll slowly let all of our breath out. We might have to do that a lot of times before we feel better. Let's try. Blue race car said. They took some slow, deep breaths together. After a few minutes, both race cars started to feel calm and drift off to sleep. They both dreamed about all the fun they have at the race.
Okay, good. Thank you, Alfonso.
Welcome.
I will also be asking Inda to read.
Okay, teacher. Race cars. Zoom, zoom, zoom. The race cars were all practicing for the big race tomorrow. Around and around and around the track they went. They practiced waving in and out of cones, going around the curves, and starting right when the green light went on. Blue race car and red race car were best friends, so they practiced together all day. That night, they were in the garage resting up for the big race tomorrow. Red race car couldn't sleep tough. Blue race car, are you asleep? Red race car asked. No, I'm feeling nervous for the race tomorrow. How are you feeling? Blue race car answered. I'm feeling nervous too. What can we do? We need to feel rest for the race tomorrow, said red race car. We could try taking deep breaths. Ready? We breathe in and count to 3. Then we keep the breath in for 3 seconds. Last, we slowly let all of our breath out. We might have to do that a lot of time before we feel better. Let's try, Blue race car said. They took some slow, deep breaths together. After a few minutes, Red race car started to feel calm and drift off to sleep. They both dream about all the fun they have at the race.
Very good. Okay, thank you, Inda.
Welcome, teacher.
Okay, so are you ready now to answer questions about the story? Are you ready now?
Yes.
Okay, I love that spirit, Alfonso. Okay, let's move now to the different questions. Okay, but before that, please do not answer, okay, if your names are not bold, okay? Please do not answer. I'll go back to my question a while ago. Give me the title of the story. Please give me the title of the story. And I want Rehan, Arga, Resa, Chitya, the other kids to answer. What is the title of the story?
Race car.
Car.
Race car.
Race car.
Very
Race
Race.
Resa.
Yes, miss.
Yes, Resa, what's the title of the story?
Race car, miss.
And where can we find the title? Where can we find the title?
Race car.
Yes, it's Race Car. But where can we find the title?
Yes, miss.
Yes. Yes. But
Yes.
where can we find the title of the story? Okay, who would like to help? Where or who would like to answer? where can we find the title? The title is located at the anyone.
The top of the story.
Top
Or at the beginning
the
of the story.
story.
Okay, Aaron. Okay, I will be acknowledging Aaron so that Aaron can be heard. Yes, Aaron.
The top of the story or the beginning of the story.
Yes. So always remember that one. The title of the story is at the beginning or at the top of the story. Okay, take note of it. Okay, for question number 1. Setya, I hope you're ready. Setya, number 1, please.
Read the question.
Yes, please.
Who are the characters in the story?
Yes. Do you know or do you want to answer that one? Who are the characters in the story? Who are the characters in the story? Okay. So maybe Shitya doesn't want to answer it. Maybe Josephine would like to answer. Who are the characters in the story? You know what? If there are no people mentioned in the story, it can be things, it can be animals, right? Who are the characters? That's very easy.
Rice,
Yes, Josephine. Enda, can you still hear me? Is my voice clear, Enda?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Josephine is not answering. How about others? The others. Claudie, do you know who the characters are, Claudie?
Sorry, Miss.
Yes, can you tell who are the characters in the story?
Red cars and
The red car and the...
blue cars.
Okay, yes. Okay, so that's very... Okay, that is very easy. The characters in the story. First, you have the red race car. The second one is you have the blue race car. Okay. Again, characters do not usually or don't characters are not generally people, okay? They are not always people that you can find in the story, but they can also be animals. They can also be things. Why? Because just like Aaron said, there are stories that are not true. There are animals that can talk in the story. There are things that can talk. So characters may be in the form of people or animals or anything in the story, okay? Am I clear? Everybody, am I clear? Okay, thank you for that one. Okay, let's move to question number 2. Okay, just read first. Okay, just read first, Claudie. Please read number 2, Claudie. You just read.
What is the problem?
Okay, what? Okay, number 2. What is the problem? What is the problem in the story? Maybe Catherine, Enda, Tristan, Alfonso would like to answer. Or other kids. Rayhan, Arga, Shitya. What's the problem in the story?
They feel nervous.
Hey, Catherine, say it again.
Feeling nervous.
They
Okay.
feel nervous.
Okay, that's good, Catherine. The two cars feel nervous. Why are they feeling nervous? Why do they feel nervous? Hello. Why do they feel nervous?
Because they have big quest tomorrow.
They have a race on the next day or tomorrow. Okay, very good. Okay, question number 3. By the way, it's already 5:57. Okay, we will just continue, okay? We will be finishing 2 questions, the two questions. I think you don't have a class after me, so maybe we can extend maybe for 2 minutes or more. Okay, number 3. What? Okay. Catherine, read question number 3.
Where does the story take place?
Okay, Tristan, could you also read it?
Where does the story take place?
Okay, who can give me the answer for question number 3? Does it happen inside the mall?
The story in the garage.
Okay. Catherine, come again.
The story happened in the garage.
Okay, it happened in the garage. Okay, a garage is a part of the house where the cars are being parked. Okay, so if you have many cars, motorcycles, you're going to park your transportations or your vehicles in the garage. So again, the story took place in the garage. Thank you, Catherine. Very good. Okay, question number 4. Question number 4. Inda, would you like to read it?
How do the race cars solve the problem?
Okay, Shitya, please read it also.
How do the race cars solve the problem?
Yes, how do the race cars solve the problem? How do the race cars solve the problem? Did they just smile with it? What did they do to solve the problem? What solution were they able to think of? Enda, Alfonso, Catherine?
They take the breath together.
Yay! And what happened after that one? After taking deep breath?
They feel calm.
They feel calm. Okay, and they feel better after taking deep breath. Okay, let me ask the question again, okay? Let me ask the same question. Catherine cannot answer this time because she was the one who gave it. Okay, again, I'll be asking. What was the solution to their problem? What did the two do?
Taking a deep breath.
Okay, and after that one, Alfonso, what happened?
They cannot sleep because they were nervous for the race tomorrow.
Okay, and what happened after taking deep breath?
They get calm and they can sleep.
Okay, they can
All
sleep.
can sleep forever.
Okay, very good. And they feel better after doing. Okay, so do you find the story interesting? Was it good? Was it a good story?
Yes. Interesting.
Yes,
One. Super duper interesting. Very
very.
interesting, very good, very nice.
Yeah, well, thank you, Tristan Alfonso, for that one. Okay, so it's already past 6, right? It's already past 6. So teacher would like to say sorry for the very short interruption a while ago.
Oh yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, thank you, Tristan. I'm also happy that all of you are very participative this session with us. Okay, so I'm happy to be with you all. I hope to see you next time again for our reading class. Thank you, kids, and see you next time. Enjoy the rest of the day.
Thank you, teacher. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye. Thank you, teacher.